Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by eliminating the usual blockers. First, make sure you're actually logged into the correct Roblox account and not seeing a restricted or banned notice. Once done, open an incognito window and try the same page. This isolates extensions and cached credentials. Next, disable any VPN or proxy briefly because Roblox may block foreign IPs. Finally, clear your browser cache and cookies, or switch to another browser or device to confirm the issue isn't local to one environment. Once simple fixes fail, dig into network and session details. Disable extensions like ad blockers that can change headers or strip cookies, then refresh the page. Make sure your device clock and time zone are correct because mismatched time can trigger authentication errors. Flush your DNS cache and try public DNS such as 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to avoid ISB routing issues. If the session looks corrupted, missing CSRF tokens or broken cookies, log out fully and reset your password to force a fresh session. To finish, verify whether the problem follows your network by testing on mobile data or another Wi-Fi. This tells you if the ISB or router is blocking access. If that works, reboot or factory reset your router as needed. Collect evidence, screenshots, exact error text, timestamps, browser, device, and any steps you tried, so support can reproduce the issue. If nothing fixes it, submit a support ticket. Quick troubleshooting tip: try a different device on a different network. If it works there, the fault is local to your original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.